Yeah, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also share us out. Thumbs up or your thumbs down. It's a free word. It's your choice. My tag is still remember, but it's about mistake. My subscribe, my viewers. God bless you and support this ministry. But you need to share. Share. Don't be stingy. Share it. Share it is free. Subscribe is free. Thumbs up. Put your comment as take feel as take be. For today, I dey para, I dey provoke. Una go see say yes, I dey para, I dey provoke. I beg, I go put the video of our great man of wisdom and understanding wetin e dey do for our own side. I will put the video, meaning say our Biafra land now don wake up, and I want to use this opportunity to deliver this message to everybody in that country being Zoom. They kidnapped 400 students, children. What are they playing politics with children's life? Because for me, it's a politics. Because they cannot come into a state or into a village and kidnap 400 people and go free. It's impossibility. So this is a politics issue. This is a politics game. Please, my beloved people, share me out. That country, Nigeria, every state should not stand up. The youth of that country should not stand up and start fighting for their states. Fight for your country. Fight for your states. Don't hope in any governor. Don't hope in any president. Can you imagine President Buhari in his own state? That should be Castina or what? Then go to his own village and kidnap students, for Christ's sake. And you guys fold in your hand. Hope for your government. Hope for your leaders. Please, as you are watching me now, whatever country you are, whatever village you are, in that country being zoo, start now, wake up now and begin fighting for yourself. Create a society for yourself. Guide yourself, protect yourself. Our police are not protecting us anymore. In Port Harcourt, yesterday, a guy was shot down. Sorry to say, day before yesterday, 2 days now, in Port Harcourt, they shoot one guy because of 100 naira and a policeman shoot that guy. In Warri, they kidnapped 2 teachers in Warri, and you youth are sitting down hoping for your governor to protect you or hoping for your police or so-called soldiers to protect you. This time around, you don't need anybody for protection. You protect yourself wherever you are. Organize your own society. Protect yourself. Biafra is now working on their own. Una must share that country. We need our freedom. Let's go and protect ourselves now. Because we are not more safe. Tomorrow is Boko Haram. Next week is herdsmen. Another one is militant. Another one again. What is going on in that country? Every blessed day, things are happening. Courtesan everywhere. Use that energy for your courtesan and start protecting yourself wherever you are. Protect your society. Protect your village. If you're a king or you're a master king, whatever you are, protect your community. Olden days, if they want thief, they go far away and steal, not in your community. Why are you kidnapping your brothers? Because they paid you how much money? My people, I want to put the video of our great man. He is now working in our own Biafra land. We need to protect ourselves. We need to guide ourselves because the police are not protecting us. The soldiers are not protecting us. Imagine in Warri with the army uniform, kidnappers came with army uniform, and there was shooting gun. Shooting gun. There is no any police, no any army around there to protect them. What country are you? Sound of God everywhere. Yet, no police to come and know what is going on. Where they kidnap these 400 students now? They say in near barrack. Imagine, in near barrack. And yet, they go away with 400 students. Children. My problem is that, why are you guys playing politics with children's life? With children's life. Why? For me, it's a politics. It's no longer wanting on order. It's a politics game. Since when Buhari not come to his village to come and rest, they not come there come kidnap children. Now when we say Buhari travel to his own village to go and have a normal rest, because now I know say every country that they block their border before. Now away they travel, they go rest. My people, most important thing, if your child in body school, begin now to plan how to quit your child from body school if na local body school you dey. Because me, I don't know how I want to do am. And also teach your children, when I see army uniform, I see police uniform, give am 10-yard gap. Because many of them now are not armies, are not police, but they are in army uniform. How can you be in army uniform? How can you be in police uniform with gun? So now we don't know who be who. Anybody can be army, anybody can be soldier, anybody can be police. So when you see police, you give a 10-yard gap before they carry you put inside the car. Be careful now. Protect yourself. All my today's message is just protect yourself and your children wherever you are. And any village you are, as a youth, you need to organize youth. Protect yourself. He like me, flat herdsmen not going key. Now what is it we can't do? What you guys are doing? We're gonna open our eye. We don't develop. We don't develop. 20th century, we don't develop. Sometimes I feel provoked when I see some kind of news in Nigeria. What the hell? In Warren, they kidnapped 2 teachers. Yeah, thank God they don't shoot anybody, they don't kidnap children. Yes, but it can't be possible. A whole full worry, they come with gun and they are shooting up. No police, nothing. My guys, not gonna share me out. I will put the video of our great man. Now Biafra is now waking up because we cannot sit back and fold our hand hoping for nobody where there is no hope, man. Share me out to watch the video for yourself.
I want to use this opportunity to welcome our great leader, the leader of Eastern Security, in the person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of Ahmadiyya.
December 2020, 10,111 days, formed on parade. Ibibison. Anama. Akwa mwema kibono. Mfremiere ta poson sen. Ka frefut. Ido mi koto Eastern Region. Eastern Region mi. Ibibio mommy. Ana mommy. Oron mommy. Efik mommy. Igbo mommy. Ijo mommy. Ikwere mommy. Ogoni mommy.
People in his own dialect. Officer Bara, you are welcome. The commander of Bayelsa State. Thank you.
Izo. 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 Izo kún imi ọkùnmọ́fà. Ọ̀nà mi ọ̀yọ̀rí ọgbọ́ mi ìbárò rere. Eastern Region bọ̀. Tụwọn bọ̀. Bayelsa bọ̀. Mi ọ̀yọ̀rí ọmọgúnmi. One Eastern Region yongu. One bo sembo di kine me ne pagabomini. Komotor bi gamo. Kriano gumi krimi, yano gumi krimi mi, krimi yano gumi krimi murume. So many wa pagabo.
Make your jog me do ha ohe. Aba de ujakide. Tolu ye ne chokete ache. Echi bo, echi galau, echi belu, echi TV, o chakawa de mengini. Tolu Eastern Region agwa jujangude. Georgia amamaye mene turu mi tolu emgide igbe. O na eneke lolu unyo jang. O na eneke chendun enyokon tode amela tode amone kama ma ngbok ma jadakun. Me Georgia ka juja kide o kete pedo kate. Kwengi ne alo. Onchaka wakako dama. I
want us to give 3 motions to our great leader. I want to go. I want to hear more of it to our great leader because it's not easy to gather this great army. I say, let